Okay, so now let's get started with the unboxing of the Blink Mini Indoor Plug-in HD Smart Security Camera by Blink. Has day and night HD video, two-way audio, and motion detection. And most importantly, maybe not so important, it works with Alexa. It has cloud storage and local storage, which is a really good feature, especially for those consumers that are more conscientious about where their information is stored. This product does not seem to have any instructions with it except this QR code. Here's the USB cable for the power, and then you also have the power brick, two mounting screws. Nothing else comes inside the box. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my handy dandy iPhone and scan this QR code. Blink Mini Setup Guide. Prerequisite: install the Blink Home Monitoring app. Hey, Blink Home Monitoring. There we go. Installed. Let's open it up. Blink, an Amazon company. Amazon's buying everyone out. Add device. So I'm guessing I'm gonna select mini camera. Capture the QR code on the device. Okay. Create a new system. He's gonna call it home. Okay, plug in your mini and wait for the light to display. Okay, so blinking blue, steady green. Okay, so I think we're good. Discover device, join, and I guess I'm gonna be selecting something here shortly. So it's been doing this for a while, and now I get to select my network. So I select that, my password. Here we go, it's joining. Okay, nice. And updating firmware, do not unplug camera. Oh, okay. And it is done. Added to home system, so we're gonna click done. Get to know your mini. Okay, grab microphone permission. Why not? Let's do it. Okay, let's see. Guiding me through all of the features, which is really nice. I've had the opportunity to mess with the product some more. The homepage shows this specific camera. Initially it was just blank, and I found out that the only way that I can have something in this area is if I click the camera button, which just takes a snapshot. The last photo that you take becomes your new backdrop. If you click this video camera button, then you go into the live video feed. You can hear, and at the same time you can talk on the other end. Audio quality is really good. And if you want to mute, you can just click this button. If we click this button right here, we go into the camera settings page. Here you can change the name of the device, enable or disable motion detection, as well as set detection zones. You have some other important settings for motion detection, such as sensitivity, clip length, etc. You can also set the night vision, whether you want that to be off, on, or auto. If you want any motion events, you actually have to click armed, and once your home system is armed, that's the only time that it does record events, and you can find your events right here. And it's showing that my storage is at 1%, and I have it set to auto delete clips older than 14 days. So there is a catch to the Blink camera. You get free cloud storage until the end of this year, and afterwards you have to purchase the Blink Sync Module 2. It's basically a hard drive for all your Blink devices to store all of your data locally. After your subscription ends, then you're gonna have to purchase that in order to continue storing your data locally. Oh, and there's one more catch. So apparently when you purchase your Blink Sync Module 2, you actually have to purchase a flash drive that is sold separately. Initially when I purchased the product, I thought that either it was gonna have internal storage or it was gonna have like an SD card slot. But now that I find out that they're only offering a subscription service to a certain date, then requiring you to purchase a module or cloud storage comparison, I guess their closest competitor is the Wyze Cam. Wyze's strategy is much better. They offer you a really good product for $25. They provide a little slot where you can go purchase your own SD card, and that is your local storage. Wyze has an app. It's simple. It has object recognition and people recognition. Plus you have the whole Wyze security system, which includes door sensors, PIR sensors. I think overall the Wyze is a much better product, and it's $10 cheaper. You can take the money that you save, buy the SD card basically for the same price, and you won't have to make any additional purchases later on. And that's why I really like this Wyze system. I hope this video was helpful in helping you set up your Blink Mini. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.